Hi Zoe, what are you doing? You in the basket? You gonna come out? What do you want to do today, honey? Oh yeah? Where's your water? Yeah. Do you want some more cereal? Do you want a big kiss?
Mama.
Can I give you a big kiss?
Yeah, Baba.
Can I give you big hugs? Zoe, can I give you big hugs?
No way.
Can I give you a big kiss?
No way.
Can I give you a big tickle tickle? Can I give you tickle tickles? Tickle 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 tickles. Can I give you a bath? Do you want to take a bath? Do you want to take a bath?
No way.
Do you want to go to the store? You do? What do you want to do today? Yeah? Did we go to the pool yesterday? What did we do in the pool? Yeah, did we go swimming? That's right, we splashed. What else did we do? Mm-hmm. Did we float? Yeah. Hey Zoe, what's your favorite animal? Do you like kitties? You like kitties? How many teeth do you have?
Two.
You have 2? Is that your favorite number? Can you count to 2?
2.
1, 2. I love you.